What's up everyone, Jade Rainbow, Dr. Physical Therapy here, and today I'm going to go over how to release your low back stiffness. So there's a lot of muscles that hook to our pelvis, that hook to our spine, legs, and they can make our low back feel really, really tight. So I'm gonna go over a great routine of stretching all these muscles in your hips and back to relieve that low back stiffness. Make sure if you guys found this video helpful to give it a like, and let's get into it. So the first one is going to be on your back. You're gonna lay on back, and we're gonna go into the piriformis stretch. What you're gonna do is bring your legs like a figure four, cross one leg over, push down on the knee, and bring that right leg up to closer to you. And you're gonna feel a pull right through here. Again, this is your piriformis stretch. It hooks to our pelvis. It can cause a lot of problems with your low back. And I would hold this for 30 seconds, and I would perform it twice. Okay, and going directly from there, you're gonna do the opposite knee to opposite armpit. So again, you're gonna grab that leg. Right leg is gonna grab at your shin. You're gonna gear that knee towards your opposite armpit, and you're gonna feel it here. So this is a piriformis glute stretch as well. Okay, hold for 30 seconds. And you would repeat those on the opposite side. Going from there, we can go into a hamstring stretch. Grab that leg, and then you're gonna straighten it. You're gonna activate that quad, and you're gonna feel a pull through here. And you're gonna hold that about 30 seconds. You can also use a band and pull your leg that way, but I just like to straighten your leg here. I feel a nice pull through here. So this targets your hamstrings. And again, you would get that on the other side too. Okay. From there, we're gonna go into lumbar trunk rotations. But what you're gonna do is rotate your hips back and forth. So normally, typically rotation with heavy lifting is how someone can hurt your back, but this is nice and controlled. Feel a nice pull. So throughout any of these, if you feel pain, then I would wait. But as long as it's a nice stretch, then you're just fine. Yeah. Okay. So we want to want to stretch the muscles that hook to the low back, but we also want to work on some thoracic mobility because that can relieve some of the tension and motion that's going to the lumbar spine. So what you're gonna do is lay on your side. We're gonna do an open book stretch. And you're going to keep your legs, your hips at 90, arms out, and you're going to open around, breathe out. Look at your arm as you rotate, go back over, and go again. Again, look with your eyes, breathe out, and back over. Open book. So again, we want to get some sort of rotation in there with that upper back, and back over. Okay. Next, we're gonna go into kneeling, and we're gonna hit our hip flexors. So our hip flexors hook here and go through and hook to our low back. So you're gonna half kneel, tuck that pelvis, and then lean forward. And you're gonna feel it in the front of that back leg, holding for about 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other side so you can see better. Tuck that pelvis, lean forward. You're gonna get up a nice pull through here. Good, hold for about 30 seconds. Okay, from there, we're gonna go into tabletop, all fours, and we're gonna again work on a little bit more of thoracic mobility as well as lumbar. We're gonna go into a cat-cow. So you're gonna go up. And guys, I honestly don't know which one is a cat and what one's a cow. But you're gonna go both ways. Again, we're just working the motion we have, trying to get into a little more territory. Like that, okay. And from there, we're gonna go down into child's pose. We're gonna sit back. This feels real nice. You can come out of it. But again, this one I would hold for about 30 seconds. Like that. Okay. So like I said, I would hold each of those for about 30 seconds and do 2 sets per leg. So it's gonna take about 8 to 10 minutes to go through everything. But after doing all of those, I guarantee your back is gonna feel so nice and loose. It will help relieve a lot of stiffness. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.